Hey guys, welcome to another video for the 2018 Winter BeautyPro Box series. Today we're going to look at the products that we got from Elite Lash, located in Boston, Massachusetts. Let's get started. Hey my lovely Hive. Elite Lash was one of our featured vendors in our Winter 2018 BeautyPro Box. Let's talk about what you got. First off, we have this lovely card with a 30% off promo code to use on your next order. Thank you so much, Elite Lash. This is really awesome. Next, we have this super cool 3-in-1 Lash Grooming Wand. This is a fabulous item that you can gift to your clients in their initial full set aftercare kit, and or you can retail it as an aftercare item to your clients. On one end of it, you have this dense, fluffy cleansing brush that they can use with the lash cleanser to get in between all their layers of lashes for a really thorough cleanse. If they don't want to use it for cleansing, they can also use it dry as a makeup brush. This type of brush is really awesome for getting a smoky eye look if that is what they want to use it for. On the other end, we have two options. First, you have a spoolie or a mascara wand. This is great for brushing out the extensions after washing and drying the lashes. I especially love that this is protected from lint and dirt while you have it in your travel bag. On the other side, we have this angle brush. It can be used for filling in the eyebrows or for eyeliner. I just love how compact yet multifunctional this tool is, and your clients will also love it. Next, we have the Elite Lash Daily Lash Cleanser. This is a foaming cleanser that you can use on your clients prior to each appointment, and you can retail it or gift it to your clients as well. They will love it. It is 50 milliliters, so your client is able to fly with it, and it comes in a foaming bottle. This cleanser is effective to remove makeup, oils, buildup, but it is still gentle and safe enough to use with extensions. It is formulated to be oil, sulfate, and paraben free. To use, you want to pump a small amount, about a golf ball size, into your hand or onto your lash wand, and you want to work it through your lashes, making sure to get in between your lashes. You want to rinse really well and use it daily to clean your lashes. Last but not least, we have this tray of eyelashes to use in your studio on your clients. This tray of lashes is a 0.12 diameter, which is my personal favorite thickness for classic lashes. You would not use this thickness for volume. It is thinner than a 0.15, but slightly thicker than a 0.10. So let's talk about these lashes for a minute, shall we? This tray is a 20 line tray, which means that there are 20 rows of lashes. Some brands have 12, some have 16. This one happens to have 20. This is a mixed length tray, and I love that the sizes range from 7 millimeters to 13 millimeters. I personally don't use a lot of 13 millimeters. I use up to 12, but it is nice to have a 13 millimeter on hand just in case you get a client with super long natural lashes. Each strip has the length printed along the bottom, which is so helpful, and it's such a seemingly small detail, but I really love it when companies do this with their lashes. So helpful. And this tray is an LC curl. If you have never worked with this type of curl, you are in for a treat. L, L+, LC, and LD curls are so beautiful. They are all slightly different from company to company, but when I find one that I really love, I just cannot get over them. So let me explain L curls. L curls are to lash extensions what a lash lift rod is to lash perms. It gives a very nice vertical lift instead of a classical curl, and they are great for really opening up the eye, and a perfect choice for a heavy or hooded eyelid or a monolid, and really great for straight downward pointing natural lashes. I will show you the difference between a C curl, a D curl, and this LC curl. See how it gives more of a vertical lift, so they also appear to be longer from the frontal or client's point of view? This is truly one of my favorite curls for me to wear. So I'm going to show you how I prepare all my lash trays. I do this with every single tray I order. Okay, so you will need a clean craft knife like this handy dandy X-Acto knife that I only ever use for this one job. Open up your tray, turn it around, then run your knife over the tray, slicing it into small sections. Depending on the diameter, I make bigger or smaller sections. Since this is for classic, I will cut it into 4s, sometimes 3s if it's a 0.10 diameter. It really depends on how much you think you'll use up for that one client. Now the reason I do this is because I only dispense what I need for each client, then I toss any leftover in the bin and disinfect all my tools and my palette between each and every client. This way you do not cross-contaminate between clients. I never ever use the same strip of lashes for multiple clients. The risk of cross-contamination is fairly low, but this way it's not just fairly low, it is 0. We must always remember that we are dealing with the eye, which is a mucous membrane, and so it is susceptible to the transmission of illnesses. We want to make sure that we're always protecting ourselves as well as our clients. And trust me, your clients will appreciate the extra care that you take to do this step. Okay, there you have it. The awesome products that we got from Elite Lash. Try them out, and if you love them, hit them up to reorder. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to best use these items that we got from Elite Lash. They were included in your Winter 2018 BeautyPro Box. If you missed out on the Winter 2018 box, the next one will be the Spring 2019 box. And you can get more information on our website at www.thebeautyprobox.com. Make sure to sign up for emails so that you can get notified as soon as the spring box is available to order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon. And until next time, remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash world and beyond.